Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you are doing well. My name is Al-Ghammari and today I will be talking about passive voice. Okay, first let us see these sentences. Please try to notice the difference between them. Let's see the first group, this one. Sarah broke the window. The window was broken by Sarah. What is the difference that you notice? Did you notice anything? Let's look here. Sarah is the subject, broke is the verb, the window is the object. While here we have window was broken by Sarah. So where is the subject? Where is the doer? Who did this action? Who broke the window? Ask yourself. So Sarah. So Sarah is the subject. So here Sarah, we replaced Sarah with the window. Window is the object. So here's the object, and then the verb, and finally the subject. The same thing with these sentences. The shop sells fruits. Shop, subject, sells, verb, fruits is the object. While here, fruits are sold by the shop. Shop, who sells the fruits. So this is the subject, while fruits is the thing that we sell. So this is the object. And here we have the verb. So the object replaces the verb. Have you ever seen this before? Okay, dears, let's analyze these sentences. We have here two sentences. Isra loves sweets. The sweet is loved by Isra. So the doer of the action is Isra, the subject is Isra, loves is the action or the verb, sweet is the object. While in the second sentence, the sweet is object, is loved. This is the action or the verb. Isra is the doer of the action. What did you notice? We see here orange, blue, purple, purple, blue, orange. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. The sentence, these two sentences are flipped, right? Okay, so have you noticed and distinguished the difference between them? Yeah, sure, there's difference. Okay, dears. Today we will talk about passive voice. Actually, we have two verb voices. The first one is active voice. The second one is passive voice. What do we mean by active and what do we mean by passive? Active, when the subject performs the action. For example, cats eat mice. Subject is cats, performs the action which is eat. So cats who eat, okay? This is the action. While in passive, subject receives the action. So subject will be at the end. Mice are eaten. So who eat? Who actually who have eaten the mice? The cats. So subject here receives the action. This is the action. Okay, dears? Let's see this example. The cat drank the milk. So subject, verb, object. The milk was drunk. Oh my gosh, where is the subject? Nothing about the subject. This is called what? Passive voice. So here we have drank and drunk. Okay, dears. We have another example. The girl clicks selfie. Subject, verb, object. Selfie is clicked. Selfie is the object. It was actually the object. And is it clicked? This is the verb. And who did this thing is the girl. Okay, as you see here. Okay, dears. We have different tenses. As we know, we have three main tenses: past, present, and future. For each one of them, we have different also tenses. We have present simple, present perfect, present continuous. Okay, dears, for now, we will only cover 4 of them. But before that, we have to know when do we use passive voice. Firstly, we use passive voice when we want to focus on the object. For example, the whole meal was eaten. You know who ate, but oh my gosh, my meal was eaten. Or maybe the window was broken. Which is the thing that was broken, the window or the door? The window. So we focus on the object. So when we want to move the focus on specific thing, or we can say object, okay, we change the order of the sentence and we take the object to the beginning of the sentence. This is the first use. Secondly, when the subject is known for all of us. For example, the thief was caught. Who actually always or usually catch the thief is actually police. So, the thief was caught. There's no need to say by police or policeman because all of us know that a policeman, for example, they catch a thief. Teachers teach. And yeah. Okay, let's see the last one. When the subject is not known. Is not known, for example, my car has been stolen. We don't know. So we can't say, for example, the person, specific person, did something because we don't know that person. We don't know who did that action. In this case, we say, my car has been stolen or was stolen or is stolen. It depends on the tense. So we have three uses. 1, when we want to focus on the object. 2, when the subject is known for all of us. And when the subject finally isn't known. Okay? Okay, dears. Now, let's see, as we said before, that we will cover 4 tenses. We will talk about present simple, the passive voice of present simple, past simple, present continuous, and past continuous. We use, as we said it before, present continuous when we want to talk about something that we do usually. We do that it is like routine, something that you do every day, always. Okay, or habit. Past simple, something in the past and a specific time. Present continuous, something that is happening right now. I'm writing right now. I'm talking right now. Past continuous, something that is continuous but in the past. Okay, dears? Let's take one of the first one. Present simple, passive voice. So this is an example. My mom makes cake. Firstly, let's analyze the sentence. My mom is what? Verb, subject, what do you think? Object, it is actually subject. Makes is the verb. Cake is the object. Okay, dears? This is active. So, mom performs the action. Performs, what is the action? Makes. She makes cake. How can we make this passive? Please, attention. We take cake, we put cake to the beginning of the sentence, then we take the verb and we say to the verb, come on, baby, we want to change you. And we have to add helping verb. If the sentence is in the present, like this one, so we add helping verb in the present. So what is the helping verb that we have to add? It is, not are. Why? Because the object is singular. If the object was plural, in this case we have to add are. So is. Then what should we do? We turn this to verb 3, or we can say to past participle from the third column. So make to made. Then we write by, then the subject. Let's see how the sentence will be. A cake is made by my mom. Okay, dears, this is the passive voice of present simple. Okay, dears, now let's go to see past simple. It's too easy, too easy. The same thing. We take the object, as you see here, object, okay? Then, instead of putting is or are, we put was. Why? Because the verb here in the past. So if the verb in the present, the helping verb should be is or are. If the sentence or the verb in the sentence was in the past, we add was or were. How can we choose was or were? It depends on the object. Okay, dear? So here we have to write was. Then we write verb in. We take verb from third column, made. Then we complete the sentence. This is too easy. By my mom. Okay. Let's see now. This is what? The passive of this sentence. Now let's see what present continuous. For example, my mom is making a cake, something that is happening right now. What do you notice here? We see that there is helping verb. This is too easy. But oh my gosh, we have a new problem. What is it? We have ing. What should we do with ing? Now we will see. Firstly, we make cake. We put cake to the beginning, put cake in the beginning of the sentence. Then we take the helping verb. There is no need to get any helping verb. And we write what? We take ing and we turn it to, now we will see, to being. Okay, so being. Instead of ing, we write being. Then we turn make to what? To made. So we write past participle of made. And finally, we complete the sentence. By my mom. There should be by. Do not forget to write by before the subject, okay, dears? And you have to notice something. If the object here was plural, you can't take the helping verb as it is. No, you have to add what? Are. So if this was cakes, it should be cakes are being. Okay, dears? Okay. And the last thing is past continuous. Past continuous, the same as present continuous, but here we have was instead of is and are, we have was and were, okay? So the same thing, we take cake, we put cake to the beginning, in the beginning of the sentence, we take was, and then we say for making, come on baby, we want to change you. And we change ing to what? Being. And we turn make to what? To made. Okay, which is the past participle of make. Then we add by the subject. Is it easy? Yes, it's too easy. Okay, dears, please stop the video and do this task again. I know that this is revision and we did this before, but please do it again. Okay. When you're done, please do this homework. Please open page 23 in the grammar booklet and do this exercise. The exercise that you have, I think one exercise or two exercises, I will check now. Okay, let me see here. Okay, page 23. Page 23. So this will be the homework. Okay, dears, this will be the homework. You have two exercises. Exercise number 1 and exercise number 2. And dears, I have to tell you something that I always tell you, which is please use this table. When you want to get the past participle of any verb, you have to go to this page 28. Okay, in this booklet that I have made to you. Okay, dears, thank you so much for listening. If you have any question, you can ask me whenever you want. Bye.